Hey everybody, I just wanted to share with you the newest kit from By the Well for God. I just got it today, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, unwrap it, and reveal to you what came. So let's get started. Okay, so let's dig into this. We always get such nice packaging. I'll set that aside first. Look at that pretty pin, the button, I desire mercy and not sacrifice. This whole theme is kind of a steampunk. This is the goodie pack that everybody gets. And let's go into this. It always comes with a handwritten note from Lori. So I keep those. So pretty. So nice. I'll hold those to the side. Let's get into, oh my goodness, so pretty. Let's get into this. She always wraps them, and if you didn't see on her live yesterday, she showed kind of the behind the scenes of her packaging. So let's set those aside. It comes in this canvas bag and it says come to the table, and I love these because I can just keep them, all the contents in there. Okay, here's the sticker for it. Come to the table. Here is the dot card with the different paints. I don't know if you're getting a glare from my lights, but this one has 7 of the watercolors. And so you just take a wet paintbrush and you can reactivate that paint. And you'll get a good month's worth out of these paints. But then that gives you an idea of the colors that you want to use. And all these colors coordinate with the colors in the kit. So it's so generous. Here is a card, come to the table, and it's got scripture on the back. This pattern, this design is just so beautiful. It's got gears and some botanicals. And look at these pretty bows, these colors, these clips, all of these die cuts. Oh, wow, look at these gears in here. They're actual metal gears. I'm just gonna go ahead. Where's the devotional? There it is. So I'll get into that in a second. So here is the devotional, come to the table. This is the Easter theme for this month. And it was written by Tom, who is Lori's husband. They own By the Well for God, which is a brick and mortar store in the Pacific Northwest, but they sell a lot. They have an Etsy online store, Kent, Washington, that's where they are. So I haven't gone through to look at it, but the way that they intend it, but you can do it however you want to, is there are 14 days of study, 14 sessions. You can study one day and then spend some time in your art, in your journaling the next day, or you can do it however you want to. I can't always get to my art every day or even every other day, so I tend to study it every morning, and then I come back and I might do 2 entries at a time. So it just depends. Depends on how you want to do that. So these colors are so pretty. They're kind of corals and peaches and greens and golds and browns. Look at all these die cuts that you get. Again, these botanicals. There's some flowers. Oh, some gears. This is, like I said, a steampunk kind of feel to it. You get different images, good sizes, so big or little combination, so it will work well in the illustrating Bible or a regular size Bible. You've got some title pieces, you've got some tabs, clocks. These are double-sided, so you can fold them over or cut them and get 2 tabs out of it. And then look at these gears. These are actual gears that you can use. Maybe attach them to some thread, or maybe to your clip, or you can use some adhesive to attach them in. There are various ways you can do that. So look for ways that I use that. So let's look at the stamp set. Oh my goodness, look at that feather. How pretty. This is the stamp set that comes with it. It's got, is that a magnolia? That's so pretty. Or yeah, that's a magnolia. How pretty. Depending on the color you use. This bird, a gear, and it says come to the table, a clock, a feather, a leaf, and it's got some Bible prompts to it. You get 3 sheets of clear stickers, and one of them has faux washi on it. So these have just decor stickers, and then this has a couple of titles on it. How pretty are those? You get 3 tip ends, which could be used as bookmarks. You can cut them up. They've got scripture on them. They are double-sided. So however you want to use them, you can cut tabs out of them. I've used them in many different ways. Just sticking this on your page makes for a journal entry as well. You get 1 sheet of clear alphas, and that's pretty. It's multi-tone. So how pretty is that kit? Now there's some extras that you can get with it. There are, I think, 5 different stamp sets. This is one of them, a chalkboard alpha, and this is one that I got. So I'm excited about that. This is one for gears. It just has a lot of gears in it. So that'll make some pretty backgrounds, just stamping it in some colors, just a light color to make a very pretty background. Same with this, with these feathers and keys. You could make die cuts out of these. Oh, how pretty these would be to emboss. And then this one, Spring Petals. Look how pretty that is. I hope you can see that. I'm not taking it out, but the glare might be bad. I don't know. But look at those pretty foliage flowers with dogwoods. Looks like a rose. Just how pretty. They're different alpha sticker sheets. So you've got the large ones in these different colors, and then you've got the tile, the smaller tiles. And these are so versatile, and you get so many of them. Another thing that is very good, and she's got them available this month, are some of these traveler notebook inserts. And this one matches very nicely. Look at that. Look at that print on the inside. So I might just journal in here this month. I don't know. I've got to decide. But I definitely am going to do my journaling, even if I don't do my art journaling, because I always just want to write a lot in here. And then let's look at the extras. So here we have some of the tags. Oh, look how pretty those are. And they are double-sided. A couple of more bow clippies with the fabric, and then another tag with, it's double-sided with the scripture. There's another tag. There's one more. This pretty color, this peachy coral color. This is a sample of one of those tiles. And then here is the small stamp that you get with it, and I can't get that open. And it's a heart with some gears on it. I'm gonna try to get that out. And it says Heart of Love. Heart of Love, so that's really pretty. So what a great kit. Make sure that you stay tuned. We're gonna be doing some lives on the Instagram feed for By the Well for God. I'll have several videos on my channel this month, and certainly follow me on Instagram at julesk.jules, and you'll see projects that I post. And then there is a Facebook group, By the Well for God, where a lot of people post their pages for each Bible study page for each session. So just make sure you get that. I do have the kit linked in the description box, so you want to check that out. This will be shipping out in the next day or two. So thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.